Today's concept is cloudy. So I invited another photographer. We are both going to be picking different styling, different hair, different makeup, and then we're going to do a photo shoot based on the cloudy theme, and we're going to see how different our photos are given the same exact concept.
Okay, hold on, I need to think of what kind of photographer I am. Today we are doing a cloudy theme, which I think is wonderful. With me being a fine art artist, it's ethereal, it's light. Okay, these. Ooh, I like that blue. My name is Paige and I am a fine art, fashion, and portrait photographer based here in Detroit, Michigan. Are you kidding? You got Selkie in here? It's Selkie. Did I tell you my story? I don't think I told you my story of what happened. Originally, when I was coming up with my outfit for the concept, the first thing that popped in my head was the Selkie cloud puff dress because iconic. However, getting that dress just was not gonna happen. Okay, so what I'm looking for, I think, is either blue or white. It's a pre-sale item right now, unfortunately. I did try to get the rainbow one, and I paid for expedited shipping, but it would not arrive on time. That's really pretty. I think I'm obsessed with this. As far as props go, I think I'm going to consider some wigs. We found the goods. We found the wigs. I think I'm gonna go with the white one, just because I think I'm gonna pull some warm tones and cool tones together for our look today. If I use a headpiece, I'm gonna use this one.
We have these 3 pairs to choose from.
Oh my gosh. Let's do white. I like the white. But again, this might be something that I pull on or off. We'll see.
Sure.
Yeah, when I saw that you had wigs, I was like, yep, it's going down. Cool. Jessica's getting nervous. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using any wings just because of the way that the cape sits. It kind of blocks it. Yeah, that's good. So for hair and makeup today, I think we are going to do the white wig, of course, because it's beautiful. It'll kind of act as like a cloud itself. But for the makeup, we're gonna keep it very natural. I want her to look like a very natural kind of cloud goddess. Yeah, you bend down for me, thank you. Of course. Where are your ears? Okay, right there.
I really like Paige's final look. I love the cape. I really feel like it pulls it all together. It gives it that more ethereal look.
That's really, yeah, there we go. That's perfect. Okay. You gotta look. For the backdrop, I'm going to be using, I brought this really beautiful storm cloud backdrop, so I think I'm gonna pair it with that. It's kind of cool tone, but it's also, it has some gray in it, which will allow us to kind of color grade it.
Yeah, imagine.
So we had this really nice backdrop set up. Everything was going great. The sun even came out at one point.
Uh-oh.
And then a gust of wind came and knocked it all over.
It is a heavy backdrop, but I thought for that reason, the wind wouldn't take it, but.
We didn't have too many, we didn't even have a sandbag, so we tried to put stuff on there and nothing would hold it. I mean, even I couldn't, even I wasn't strong enough to hold it down.
Dude, that's my baby. I'm so sad.
Your baby almost flew away. Careful. So we tried again, we set it back up, we tried to put stuff on it, and then it just kept falling over. There was a million gusts of wind that just they slapped us in the face real hard, and everything just fell.
All right, maybe we're not using a backdrop today.
So we decided to just take photos with the actual clouds, because at that point the sun had come out of nowhere, and then it was actually cloudy.
Well guys, we are ditching our backdrop.
So we kind of accepted defeat there.
We're gonna use the sky as our backdrop for our concept. Let's do right here, because I love this blue behind you. Let's see. So bright now. So I think I'm gonna do a couple of low angles for me so I can get more of the sky. That's beautiful. Yeah, perfect. Right there, hold. Wow, this cape looks stunning on you. We ended up using the clouds as our backdrop, and I actually love it way more. It's gonna be a little bit closer, probably be like waist up. Where I placed her was like right on this trail. One, because with all the rain that we've been getting, the grass is like really, really muddy and has like major puddles. Oh my gosh. You look like a goddess. Beautiful. Can I have you kind of like bend and like tilt your chin up? It also allowed me to kind of bend down without getting wet and shoot up towards the sky. And we had this really pretty like side light coming in, and it was really gorgeous. It was pretty. Wow. Good. Yes, love that hold. Beautiful. My strategy for shooting today was just trying to incorporate the clouds as much as possible. That's beautiful. Yes, I love that. Beautiful. So I shot using like live view mostly, so that I could get the picture just right.
That was good. Oh, I love this. Oh, this was the one she was talking about.
So you guys remember when Paige said that she tried to order a dress, but it never came in on time and it was like pre-sale only? Well, I actually happened to get the dress. Yeah, I feel bad.
Yeah, I know. I feel so bad.
I didn't even know that she knew about it. So I just think it's funny, like we both thought about the same dress. Just goes to show that we both have really great taste. And you know what? She can take pictures with it too if she wants.
Yeah, but really, great minds think alike.
Okay, I'm bad at hiding stuff. Can you guess what look it is?
Me?
Yeah.
Guess what look it is?
I'm really bad at like having secrets. Not with my friends. My friends can tell me anything. But other stuff. Well, even though it's kind of the same thing. Yeah, you guys can trust me. Remember what you said you couldn't get?
Are you kidding me?
I found it online.
You're probably the reason why I couldn't get it. Are you kidding?
So my theme is Cloud Princess, Cloudy Princess, Princess of Clouds, Princess Diaries. It just fit my concept. It's funny that we both kind of had the same look in mind though.
Mm-hmm. I would have done this with like fairy wings.
Because that's what I'm probably gonna do.
We would have had the same look.
I wanted it to be like the Cloud Princess. She's holding on to the sun. So that's why it's cloudy out, because she won't let go of the sunshine. Okay. Wait, how large is the...
There are 5 of them. She went to Costco and got some balloons. I love it.
Okay, so I guess I ordered like 15 of these. I don't need a straw.
You can put a straw in here and you have to blow it up. You need a straw to blow
Girl,
it up.
I don't need no straw.
Here.
I got this. Watch, guys.
That
Did you just say, let's see what that mouth do? I can't with you, Maha. I can do this. I watched my cat give birth. I can blow up a balloon. I really did watch my cat give birth. Twice.
You know, I guess.
2 times. My cat was going out every day, if you know what I'm saying. Didn't judge her though. She was a great cat. But she had a lot of boyfriends out there. So I'm blowing up the balloons here. And I think I got it. I felt some air going in here. Watch. Is it blowing up? Is it working? Oh shit! We need a straw. We need the straw. And then I also had her put a little bit of makeup. I just brought some blush, put a lot kind of on the cheeks, and then put some lipstick on there. Kept it really simple, didn't want to do too much. So really following kind of like this Cloud Princess theme. Let's do it, sis.
Yep. Over the sleeves. There we go.
If you start flying away, then we're taking these off. And Paige was so gracious to bring all of her wings for us to use. So I used a pair of angel wings as well. Does it look good?
Yeah.
I think it worked out in the end. I'm not a stylist by any means, but I try my best. Kind of like, even like holding the sun with like both hands, yeah. Lift your chin up a little. My name is Jessica Kobasi. I am going to be using a 5D Mark IV with a 50 1.4 lens. Okay, let's do no. I wasn't sure about how the actual sun was looking. I feel like it looked too shiny in the photos and it didn't really match with the sort of ethereal look that I was going for. Are we letting him go? Do we let him go? Okay. I did a couple of shots with the sun, but then I gave it the boot. It had to go. Oh, these are cool. Okay, these are cool. Yeah, lift your chin up a little, arms out. Also, I have this iridescent material that I'm gonna be putting in front of my lens to use to shoot with it because I want kind of a foggy, glowy kind of look. Those are great too. My biggest fear is I look down and it's on manual focus. And it's happened before, like mid photo shoot. Looking straight ahead at where those ladies were walking and looking at you weird. Just want a couple of shots. And I think that using this really made a difference. It kind of added that really cool filter. I feel like that fits more with the theme of it being cloudy because it is blue. Okay, wait, one more. Chin down a little. Okay.
Oh my God. Filter. Wow. It's so dreamy.
Overall, I would say it was pretty successful and I really like how the pictures turned out. Okay, so I know you want to shoot with this dress, yes. So I'm gonna invite you to photograph it. You're welcome. I felt so bad. I felt so bad when you told me that you wanted this dress.
When she showed me, I was like, that's funny. That's my type of look.
You know, but it all worked out because I still get to see
shoot
it in person.
Yeah. All right, so I would say that's a wrap. It's cloudy. Well, it was cloudy. The theme is cloudy. And now it's sunny, so I mean, today was all over the place. Backdrop almost killed all of us. And Sinclair almost flew away with the angel wings into the clouds, which would actually fit with the theme. But we don't like that.
The outro.
The outro was just you flying.